I'm Reesewill Fit. Welcome to my kitchen. Alright, we're going to start off with meatless pieces called Quorn. It's non-GMO, excellent source of protein, it's soy free. It's actually 94% protein. It's only 130 calories per serving. I'm going to add this to a bowl. Tastes just like chicken. Gonna run some hot water. Basically, it comes frozen. So you run some hot water on it to make it a little bit soft. You know what I mean? Go add your seasonings to it. Got your garlic powder, Montreal chicken seasoning. Alright. You got a little poultry seasoning. I don't measure, I just judge. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Y'all gonna have to figure out your own measurements, man. Last but not least, we're gonna add the teriyaki chicken marinade. You can get any brand. You can get Walmart brand if you want to. Great value, it's cool. Add a little bit to it. But basically, this is your base right here. So mix this around with your hand. Mix it around. Mix it around. Then you're gonna add another coating of seasoning. A little bit more garlic powder. Some more of that. And some more of this. Make sure all the pieces have seasoning and have teriyaki sauce on it. What this actually is a protein. It's made out of a protein. While this is marinating, while this is sitting in the marinade with the seasonings, we're gonna get a pan. The heat on medium high. Gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. Because we gotta saute these peppers, extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna saute your peppers and your onions. You're letting the peppers and the onions saute. It's already started to cook. We still got it on medium high. This thing is gonna be so good, man. I'm trying to tell you, man. This thing's good. Cook on medium high for like 5 to 7 minutes. Add that on there. Now we're gonna let this cook for about 10-15 minutes. Depending on how you want the texture to be. But one good thing about cooking things that aren't meat, it doesn't take long, because basically it's already done. Basically you're cooking it for the texture. All right, I done let it cook for about 10 minutes. Add a little more sauce on top. Just to give it a little bit more flavor. A little bit more flavor. Smell it. Yo, if you can smell this right now, I'm trying to tell you, this thing is crazy. Got my vegan mozzarella cheese, man. I'm about to transform this thing, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, let me mix that in. Hold on. Hold on, add some more. Hold on. Hold up. Oh. Who ain't getting that cheese? Who ain't getting that cheese? Who ain't getting that chicken? Mayo on here. Look at that. A little ketchup on here. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Got a special guest. My man Reesewill. We're looking like.
Wow.
We're looking like. Huh? Tell me something.
That's good. I need some more of this.
You can get some more of that? Take a bite. Go ahead. Go ahead, boy.
That's good.
That good? Can't even talk. Tastes so good, huh? Y'all asked for it. Y'all asked me what I be eating, and I don't eat meat. So, look, the kids don't lie. Especially mine. You don't lie. Wipe your mouth. But look, I'm about to start rolling these videos out. You better hit that subscribe button. If you don't subscribe, something wrong with you.